Hello, my name is Senior Inspector Thomas Petty with the Harris County Fire Marshal's Office. Over the next 60 seconds, we'll cover just a few reminders about live Christmas tree safety. As you deck the halls for Christmas, be fire smart. A small fire that spreads to a Christmas tree can grow very quickly. Before placing the tree in the stand, cut 2 inches from the base of the trunk. Make sure the tree is at least 3 feet away from heat sources like fireplaces, candles, space heaters, or radiators. Live trees are highly flammable due to needles and sap. Add water to the tree stand daily. Use only lighting evaluated by a recognized laboratory such as Underwriters Laboratories. Replace any string of lights that have worn, broken, or frayed cords. Follow the manufacturer's instructions accordingly on stringing the lights together. Use only non-flammable decorations. Always turn off tree lights before going to bed, and make sure the tree is not blocking an exit in case of an emergency. When the tree becomes dry, get rid of it. Dried out trees are a fire danger, so don't leave them in the house, garage, or placed against the home, outside. Check with your local community to find a recycling program. Remember, fire safety in the home is an everyday project. Everyone should have a home fire escape plan and practice it twice a year. No 2 ways out of your room. Test your smoke alarms monthly and replace batteries every year. Make sure your whole family knows to call 911 in an emergency. This is Senior Inspector Thomas Petty with the Harris County Fire Marshal's Office, wishing you a fire safe day.